Hi everyone, I am Charu Arora, a watercolor artist and instructor living in Stockholm, Sweden, originally from India. Welcome to my Skillshare class. In this class, we will be painting this magical and dreamy dense forest. This class is for beginner to intermediate levels, so even if you have no prior knowledge of watercolors, this class is for you. I'll be talking about all the supplies in detail and take you through the whole process. I have also included all the techniques, composition study, and step-by-step instructions, which makes it easy for you to follow along. By the end of this class, I'm sure you will have a better understanding of using watercolors and its basic techniques. So grab your colors and join me to create this dreamy landscape using watercolors. Let's dive into the class now.